I'm here with another video, and today we are going to be doing some, um, we're going to be doing, I haven't done this in a while. I did this on my old account. We're going to be doing some, what's it called? Some story times. Yeah, story times. Some of these might be funny, some of these might be sad, these might be stupid, I don't know. Whatever you want to make the topic. Go ahead and make the topic. Alright, made the topic now. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. So yeah, basically, this first story I'm gonna tell you guys today, started off when I was 8, actually. I was going around, trick-or-treating. It's the holidays, buddy. Today's Halloween. Hope you guys have a great Halloween. Stay safe. Yeah, make sure to stay safe. Um, yeah. I was trick or treating. I was going around. Actually, no. Sorry. I was not 8. I believe I was 10, 10 or 9, one of the two. A few years ago. This is when the clown season was around. Around when a lot of they were doing all that clown crap, scary clowns going around scaring everybody. You pretty sure you all know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So I was like freaking like 9 or 10. I don't like know what I was freaking doing. I was trick or treating with my friend, my friends actually. Um, and then what happened was we were going down the street. Nobody was on the street at all. Like it was me and my friends. Like nobody was on the few streets that we were at, and we we came across this one street, right? Um, saw a couple houses. We went like halfway down it. Like half the lights were off, half the lights were on. Went to this one house. Pretty good, usual. Trick or treat. Have a great night. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Um, hope that didn't go that too well. Um, I got scared out of my mind. This lady answered and said, "What are you doing in my blah, 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 blah." And I'm like, and all she said was, "Jeffy, come here." And I'm like, oh. I'm like, am I supposed to stay here? She said, yeah. And I'm like, okay. Um, so then I stay there, right? This dude named Jeffy comes over. I'm not even messing around. That was actually his name. Um, he comes over, right? Yeah, everything's fine. Comes over, clown mask. And I'm like, okay. Um, he literally tried scaring us, and he failed at it. Literally, he ended up, he's like, "Rah, rah, 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 rah," and he just like got in our faces, you know? Um, and I'm like, okay then. And then, that happened. Um, so we run away, right? And we're getting chased by this clown. Like this dude named Jeffy is literally chasing after us down the street. He's like running super fast. He's like literally freaking like chasing like full speed at us, and we're like screaming at the top of our lungs. And all we see is people start coming outside, and I'm like, what is going on? And I'm like, there's a clown running after us. Run, everybody run, blah 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 blah. And I'm like, oh my god, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Cops called. This dude was supposedly on the tail of high. He was on drugs. He was drinking. same as the girl. They're both high and drinking. So they're both high and drunk on trick or treat Halloween night. And yeah, that's basically it. To be honest, literally got scared out of my mind. Got chased by a clown, almost died. Freaking, I don't know what that dude would have done if he got his hands on us. Um, I just thank God that I didn't get touched by them. Because I don't know what would have happened because literally like nobody was on that street. It was just me and my friends. They were like if we got touched by them, something bad would have probably happened. That's all I'm gonna say. Hope you guys have a great day or night, whatever whenever you're watching this. Make sure it's today on Halloween night, and hope you guys like the video. Peace out.